HUSNA Khan. I am studying in 2nd of Oak Valley International School. Today I'm gonna show how to make this bird feeder. The ingredients are 1 paper cup or plastic cup, then color paper and two sketch pens. One is black and the other one is red. Then take the cup
thread to tie.
Take the cup, then glue all over it. Then put the color paper. Then
Stick the color paper.
Then wait for it to dry. Then cut it out this. Then stick it here. Then wait for it to dry again. Then draw this faces and do a hole in here with the pencil.
And
Then tie the string on the cup. Thank you everyone. Bye.
Thank you.